Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process. Your TV is not part of Netflix household for this account, meaning and how to fix this. Okay, so guys, if you are facing this kind of issue, so don't worry, we are going to solve this issue by each step. So your TV is not a part of Netflix household for this account. What this meaning? When you receive a message, this TV isn't a part of your Netflix household for your account. It indicates that the device you are using is not recognized as a part of Netflix household associated with your account. Okay, so your TV is not a part of Netflix household for this account. So if you assign into the TV that's part of your Netflix household, but see this error, you will need to verify that the TV you are using is a part of Netflix household. To do this, you will need to mobile phone or tablet with camera and Wi-Fi connection. Okay. So first of all, verify that your TV is a part of Netflix household. When prompt on your TV, select Update Netflix household and then select Troubleshoot this TV. Open the camera on your mobile device and point it to the TV screen to scan the QR code. Then tap to the next. Okay. Then make sure your mobile device is connected to the home Wi-Fi and tap to the next. And after that, tap Get Code to generate a new QR code on your TV. And then open the camera on your mobile device and point it at the TV screen to scan the QR code. You may need to allow the Netflix access and camera on your mobile device. Once the verify, select Start watching the continue watching Netflix. If unsuccessful, make sure mobile device is connected to the same internet as your TV and then try again. Okay, so this is the all step. So thanks guys.